Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're stopping by for the very first time, you're welcome to our skincare family. This is Timique Skin Glow. It's all about skincare, healthy skincare tips, formulation, DIYs, everything about a healthy, glowing skin. So if you haven't clicked the subscribe button yet, please do so to be part of our skincare family. To our existing subscribers, thank you for supporting this channel. Thank you for watching the videos, sharing, your like, comments. I truly appreciate. All right, today's video is going to be a very simple one. Yeah, I'll be giving you a recipe on effective whitening lotion you can Promix at home. Okay, it's a simple DIY. The ingredients are very easy to get and they are not expensive at all. Promixing has different categories, it has different stages. Okay, but this one is so simple. It's not going to give you any kind of reaction, no green vein, no dark knuckle, no stretch mark, no form of reaction or whatsoever. And also, I want to remind you about our skincare training going on. If you are interested, please send a message to the number on the screen, send a WhatsApp message. Our organic skincare class is ongoing. It's a 2-week class. Just chat me up if you're interested, and I'm going to send you a copy of the course outline. For Promixing, our Promixing is not a class, it's an ebook. So if Promixing is what you're interested in, it's also available. Very effective and safe Promixing, not the regular ones you know, not those regular ingredients you've seen in the market, but this Promixing, trust me, is super effective. All right, now let's get straight to the recipe. For our Promixing, this is a whitening body lotion, not for face, this is for body. So what you'll be needing is a whitening base cream. You need 1 kg of whitening base cream. If you feel the quantity of this cream will be too much for you, you can divide it. You can divide by 2 or divide by 3, okay? If you feel you want more, you can multiply as well. So for our whitening base cream, you need just 1 kg of your whitening base cream. Whitening base cream, not ordinary base cream, okay? You need your glutathione vitamin C tube. This one is a safe tube you can use for Promixing. It's made of AHA natural fruit acid, okay? And the base cream, if you don't want to buy, you can use the one I gave. I think I gave a recipe last week on this channel. You can use that base cream. It's very good, okay? And then you need this glutathione vitamin C tube. You need just 3 pieces. I'm going to put a picture on the screen for you. Of course, we need our Miracle Derm tube, just 1. It's anti-reaction. It's going to prevent any form of reaction in your cream, like white spot and all of that. So for Miracle Derm tube, you need just 1. It's going to treat your cream for you and prevent any form of skin reaction. Rapid White Whitenizer serum, you need just 1. It's very effective and it's made of natural fruit acid. You need your 42-hour oil, that small bottle. You need just 2 of it, 2, okay? I'm going to put the picture on the screen as well. And then you need your lavender oil. You need 10 ml. You need your rose oil. You need 10 ml as well, 10 ml. You need propylene glycol. You need 15 ml of your propylene glycol. And then you need your preservative, 15 ml as well. So you put this together and then you mix. Okay, so this is what you should do. Get your tools together. Make sure your workstation is well sanitized. Sterilize your tools. You can sterilize it by using rubbing alcohol. So put your base cream in a bowl, a very clean bowl. 1 kg base cream, that's 1,000 grams. In another bowl, put your tube, your glutathione vitamin C tube. Put it there, 3 pieces, and then add your Miracle Derm tube to it. Pour in your, did I mention piment dose? Yes, we need piment dose, just 1. Pour your piment dose there, piment dose serum. Put your Rapid Whitenizer serum there. Mix very well, mix it well, and then pour it into the base cream because your base cream is thick. Pour it in there and then mix everything together. Add your oils, add your lavender oil, add your rose oil, add your 42 hours oil, and I said 2 bottles, and then stir very well. Add your propylene glycol, 15 ml, add your preservative, 15 ml, and that is it. You are good to go. This is very effective, so natural. It's a very effective whitening lotion. You are going to love it. Please do this and then give me your feedback in the comment section. Let me know how it works for you. Of course, you are going to love it. If you find this video very interesting, please give it a huge thumb up. Share this video. Drop a comment in the comment section to encourage me to give you more recipe. If there are more videos you think you want me to do that I haven't done yet, please let me know about it in the comment section. All right? Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Timique Skin Glow. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.